Thank you so much. Here is your copy. How you like our service, sir?
Yep, very good.
All right.
Appreciate it.
If you have any issue, give us a call, and that's it.
All right, sounds good, sir. Thank
Have
you.
a great day.
Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. First spring was replaced. I'm gonna go to the side. Changing the spring. Key time is 2:20. Take us 20 minutes to change two hardware. So when we're done every job, we gotta use the blower. That's why I use the blower. Gotta make sure nothing on the ground, because the stuff can get to the tires. Okay. Both doors very smooth, very quiet. We replaced the springs, pulleys and cables, both doors, and we sprayed the doors already. But that's where you have to spray, just on the hinges. A little bit right here. See the other side as well. Change pulleys, springs, cables. Customer have 3 years warranty. Now we're gonna get to the customer.